So I hope screen is visible right now. Okay, now visible. So here just multiply by this a bar r in the bracket. Okay, so it is equal to, sorry, this is ax into unit vectors a bar x dot a bar r. Okay, then plus second is ay, second term is ay into unit vectors a bar y dot a bar r. Okay, then third is az into bracket a bar z dot a bar r. Is it okay? All of you understood how this is taken?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Similarly, this is your AR. Now 5 equations are over. So consider this as equation number 6. Okay. Then similarly, you can find A5. So this A5 is equal to A bar dot A bar 5. Okay. Which is equal to, again, which is equal to vector A bar. Again write vector A bar in Cartesian, that is AX, A bar X plus AY, A bar Y plus AZ, A bar Z. Dot. Here is 5, right? So it is dot A bar 5. So again multiply to the whole bracket, that is AX into bracket A bar X dot A bar Y, right? Plus AY into bracket A bar Y dot A bar 5. Sorry, this is A bar 5. A bar Y dot A bar 5 and plus AZ into bracket A bar Z dot A bar 5. Okay, this is your equation number 7. Correct? समझ? Then the last is AZ, which is equal to A bar dot A bar Z. So it is equal to vector A bar. This AZ is equal to vector A bar in Cartesian, that is AX, A bar X plus AY, A bar Y plus AZ, A bar Z into unit vector, that is small A bar Z. So it is equal to AX into bracket A bar X dot A bar Z, okay, plus AY into bracket A bar Y dot A bar Z and plus AZ into bracket A bar Z dot A bar Z. Okay, this is your equation number 8. Now I'll erase the following equation. Okay, up to this point, any doubt? Up to this point, any doubt? Is it clear?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Okay. Now your task starts. Here we have to find the dot products. Okay. Concentrate for this point, important. Okay. Now here we have to find the dot products here. Suppose here first we have to find here A bar X dot A bar R. Okay. So when we consider a Cartesian coordinate system, okay, when we consider Cartesian coordinate system, X, Y and Z coordinates. Okay. So what is angle between X and Y? 90 degree, right? Consider corner of your room. किती angle आहे? 90 degree. Between y, z, 90. Between x and z also 90. Okay. So if we take the dot product of two different unit vectors for the Cartesian coordinate system only for Cartesian coordinate system, when we take the dot product of two different unit vectors. Suppose I take a bar x dot a bar z here, the last term, a bar x dot a bar z. So what is their dot product?
0.
0. Because what is the definition of dot product? A bar dot b bar is equal to mod of a bar mod of b bar into cos theta. So the angle between these two vectors x and z is 90 degree and cos 90 is equal to 0. Okay, cos 90 is equal to 0. So if you take here a bar y dot a bar z, it is also 0. A bar z dot a bar z is equal to a bar z dot a bar z
1.
1, because unit vector's magnitude is किती असते? Mod of a bar z mod of a bar z into cos, here angle is 0 degree, so its value is 1 into cos 0 1, so it is equal to 1, right? So here if we take two similar vectors, then their dot product is equal to 1, and if we take two different unit vectors, then their dot product is equal to 0 for the Cartesian coordinate system, because the angle between them are specified, that is 90 degree. But when the cylindrical or spherical coordinate systems are given, then how to find these angles? Okay, so we'll first see that, or how to find the dot product. Okay, so concentrate. So here I am considering two axes, x-axis and y-axis. Okay, so your horizontal axis is your y-axis. Okay, and I consider the x-axis in this direction. This is your x-axis. Always angle between these two is equal to 90 degree. Here I am considering only two axes. Okay, and your z-axis is vertical. Okay, z-axis is vertical. This is your xy plane, and here z is axis also there, and this is your origin. Okay, now what I want to find, I want here okay, I want here the cylindrical points. Okay, so first I'll write that. Okay, x-axis is this. For Cartesian x, y, z coordinates are given here, and for cylindrical coordinates are r, phi, and z. So we have to define these points. Okay, so first we'll define the r. So consider the base of cylinder here. Consider one cylinder, x side दिले इथे. Okay, so radius of that cylinder is this one. Okay, consider this is the radius of cylinder, and it is making angle phi from x-axis. Okay, and suppose point P is located here on cylinder, which is having coordinates r, phi, and z. Okay, r, phi, and z. Now here we last coordinate is z, which is similar to the Cartesian system only. Okay, now we have to find the angles. Okay, so हे एकदा note करून घ्या. Then I want to draw here angles. That's why I'm erasing this. Okay, or you can draw a separate diagram also. So I'll erase this point P and I will write here only. Okay, only remember this point P is having 3 coordinates R, phi and Z. Okay, now we have to find the angles here. Okay, because we have to take the dot product. And what is the definition of dot product? A bar dot B bar is equal to, this is dot product, which is A bar dot B bar is equal to mod of A bar, mod of B bar and cos theta. Okay, so here we have to first find the angles. Okay, so first dot product, what is that? A bar X and A bar R. Okay, A bar X dot A bar R. So first find the unit vector in direction of X. Okay, X च्या direction मध्ये vector, unit vector find करायचं from this point P. X direction is in this line. This is your X direction, right? So unit vector in direction of X is A bar X, right? Right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Similarly, we can draw one line which is parallel to the y-axis, and this is showing your y direction, and unit vector in y direction is A bar Y. Okay. Now, this is your radius R. R. See the radius R here. Okay. So in this direction, in the direction of radius R, your unit vector is A bar R, right? So in between X and R, your angle is phi, right? So I can draw the angle phi here also. That is, in between A bar X and A bar R, your angle is phi here. Okay? इथेपर्यंत कोणाला काय डाऊट? Any doubt up to this point? समजलंय का? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so actually time is over here, so we'll stop. But draw this diagram correctly and neatly so that you will understand now and when you will study. Okay, so for today we'll stop here. So thank you all, and okay, and have a nice day. Thank you.